Are you wondering how to start using LinkedIn? Don't worry, you are not alone. Why LinkedIn is important. LinkedIn lets you to boost traffic to your website, identify target leads, share your expertise through thought leadership content, and grow your LinkedIn network. It's also an excellent way to share job openings and impress new talent to your company. What is LinkedIn marketing strategy? LinkedIn marketing strategy is the method of using LinkedIn to make connections, generate leads, build brand awareness, grow business relationships and partnerships, share content and updates, and boost website traffic. How to best use LinkedIn? Check out the top 16 effective ways below to make use of LinkedIn. 1. Add right profile picture for LinkedIn. 2. Add LinkedIn background photo. 3. Customize your public profile URL. 4. Add your blog and website links on your LinkedIn profile. 5. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. 6. Edit, remove, and rearrange sections of your profile. 7. Make use of LinkedIn endorsements. 8. Highlight the services you offer. 9. Ask for recommendations. 10. Share relevant content. 11. Engage. 12. Grow your network. 13. Join LinkedIn groups. 14. See who's viewed your LinkedIn profile. 15. Create your own LinkedIn group. 16. Explore LinkedIn sponsored content and native ads. 1. Add right profile picture for LinkedIn. Your profile picture makes first impression on LinkedIn, it's how people are introduced to you. Please choose the appropriate profile picture and update the same. Remember to upload a professional picture to your profile since LinkedIn is a professional network platform. 2. Add LinkedIn background photo. Adding a background photo to your LinkedIn profile talks about your personality. Remember that LinkedIn is a professional social network, so select and update your photo accordingly. LinkedIn recommends a background image size of 1584 by 396 pixels, and it could be a JPG, PNG, or GIF file under 8 megabytes. Check out this guide to learn how to add LinkedIn background photo. 3. Customize your public profile URL. By customizing your LinkedIn public profile URL, your LinkedIn profile look more professional and easier to share. Instead of using an ugly URL, it will look nice and clean. You can edit your profile URL by clicking View Profile and then clicking Edit Public Profile and URL. LinkedIn lets you change your URL based on your interest, like changing your first and last name or business name, assuming it hasn't been used already by any other LinkedIn user. 4. Add your blog and website links on your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn allows you to add links to your blog or website and social networks to your LinkedIn page. You can also add links to your content and business information to boost traffic. This feature allows you to attract greater attention to specific areas of your page to drive traffic to your blog or website. For example, if you are a YouTuber, you can share links to your YouTube channel to promote your work. 5. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn allows you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. By optimizing your profile, you would get discovered by people searching LinkedIn for key terms you want to be found for. LinkedIn lets you add these keywords to various sections of your profile, such as your headline, your summary, or your work experience. 6. Edit, remove, and rearrange sections of your profile. Allows you to edit and reorder sections of your LinkedIn profile to spotlight specific pieces of information in any way you want. In edit mode, you can scroll your mouse over the double-sided arrow in each section to make the necessary changes. 7. Make use of LinkedIn endorsements. LinkedIn endorsements lets you to recognize your connection skills by endorsing their works. You can endorse your employees, colleagues, freelancers, or partners and other connections as well. You can also highlight and endorse the expertise of your connections that you have worked in the past, which could act as referral for them for other work. 8. Highlight the services you offer. You can use services feature on LinkedIn, which allows you to highlight your service offerings to your audience. It is a feature that helps consultants, freelancers, and those working for smaller businesses to showcase the variety of services that they offer. Entering the services section on your profile can increase your profile visibility in LinkedIn search results. 9. Ask for recommendations. Request for recommendations from people whom you have worked in the past. It acts a testimonial to highlight your skills and expertise. Drop-down menu in recommendations section makes it easy for you to reach to your connections and ask for recommendation. 10. Share relevant content. Sharing relevant content with your network is one of the best ways to attract your audience on LinkedIn platform. You can also share trending relevant contents on your feed to gain the attention of your target audience. 11. Engage. Engage on other people's posts by commenting on their post. By doing this, you will get more visibility and quickly you can grow your network. 12. Grow your network. Connecting with the like-minded people is the easiest way to grow your LinkedIn network. You can also connect with your employees, colleagues, school friends, college friends, and others. Check out this guide to learn how to grow your LinkedIn network. 13. Join LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are an amazing way to grow connections with people who are in, or interested in, your industry. They serve as a place for you and other members to share content, grow your contact list, market yourself as an expert in the field, and build brand awareness. There are a number of other advantages that come from joining LinkedIn groups. For example, by joining groups related to your industry and participating in discussions within those groups, you can promote yourself as a thought leader in your industry. By joining LinkedIn groups, you have an option to check out other members' profiles of the same group without being connected. Also, if you're a member of the same group as another user, LinkedIn allows you to send up to 15 free one-to-one message to fellow group members per month, applicable only to your first-degree connection. 14. CWHO's viewed your LinkedIn profile. This feature allows you to learn about your audience members, potential prospects, and customers who are viewing your profile and your content that you are sharing on LinkedIn. Try to utilize the Who Viewed Your Profile feature. You can find this feature, which is accessible in the main navigation via the profile dropdown, allows you to find out the exact people who have visited your profile. 15. Create your own LinkedIn group. You can create your own LinkedIn group to promote yourself as a thought leader in your industry. You can also grow a network of audience, build brand awareness, and generate new leads. 16. Explore LinkedIn sponsored content and native ads. Make use of the LinkedIn advertising feature to boost traffic, build brand awareness, and generate leads. The best advantage of LinkedIn advertising is the targeting options. LinkedIn's ads allow you to target particular job titles, job functions, industries, or company size, location, and etc., the people who are more likely to want/need what you offer. If you want to get started with LinkedIn's advertising platform, check out this guide to advertising on LinkedIn.